Hello, my name is Barış Bozdemir, and this is our first video as advanced programming. In this channel, we want to share our knowledge about Microsoft Visual Studio, SCADA, and C# language. Um, Today, I am going to make an introduction to ribbon control. Let's go. Let's start. First, we open our Visual Studio. Mine is already open, but I'm gonna close it so that I can make the same things it use. We start our application. We create a new project. As our project template, we search for Windows Forms. Now there's a lot of Windows Forms here. To choose which one, um, to make a selection, you should choose the one with the .NET framework with it. We select it and then click next. We name our project as ribbon form, no, ribbon control, and then create our project. Now you can see our form right here. You can see our toolbox, server explorer, data sources, and our solution explorer right here. We will start our project with adding a ribbon library. To add ribbon library, I'm sorry for my pronunciation. We should right click to this ribbon control right here, and then manage nugget packages. There is no library installed. We will click browse and then browse for ribbon win. There is a ribbon win forms library here. We install it. Okay. We wait a while. Now it's installed, as you can see, because there's an uninstall button which showed up. Now we can close this tab, and then we should open our toolbox. In our toolbox, we type ribbon, and then drag this from here to our form. Now our ribbon came here. We will maximize it a little bit, then add a tab. Maximize again, and add a panel. Now we have our ribbon panel here. We want to add a button here. To add a button, we have to see the commands of this ribbon panel. To see those commands, we will go right here and then right click. No, not right click. Click twice. No, not click twice. First, we press properties, and not this too. Okay, I'm sorry for that. Now, when we open our properties, if you can't see these, you should right click here and click the comments tick. If I click it again, it's gone. If I click it back, it came back. Now we should add button from this section here. Our button came in our ribbon panel. We click it. First, we will add an image to it. Add an image. There's a large image text here. We click it and then select our image. We can import from project resource file if we have any images there, or we can um, import from our local resource, which is meaning our computer, but not our project resource file. We take our PNG. I have a save image here that I set up for this project. We set it up and then press OK, and it came here. We delete the text of ribbon panel. We don't need it. Or we can just name it as save, which is better. Now we click on our ribbon button, and we are gonna make a command here. We want it to show up a pop-up menu, not a menu, a pop-up window that will say button save is clicked when we press it. So to do that, we must go here on events and click. We should double click here. When we double click here, it takes us here, which is the function of what will happen when we click the button we created. We will type in here this. Of course, you can type something else, but in this project, I chose to type this. And if you want to change your form class to ribbon form, you can do it from right here. Just select the form on the end and type in ribbon form. Yes. Now we're set. Let's run our project. It doesn't look good because we can see the save text down the panel. It shouldn't be like this, so I'm gonna close it and then change, like maximize a little bit more to save the panel name. Now let's do this, and bottom one, fonts properties, we should delete its name, or maybe we shouldn't just see the panel. Maybe we should just see the name of button. Then we should change its text. Remember, the name here shows the name of the button, but it shows the tag of the button actually. It's not the name you see here. The name you see here is its text. It's just a text. It's not a tag. You just change the text to save. And then I don't like the size of this, and I'm deleting the save text we wrote on ribbon panel. And now I think no problem will come. Let's start our project once more. See, we can see our project, but we still don't see the name, which pisses me off. But look, button save clicked action works. And if you can see here, there's form 1, there's this here, but we changed it to ribbon form right here. It's not the same, it's different. You can't see that. You only see ribbon, which is like starts from here and contains all these rectangle in our form. Okay, let's close it and try once more. We will right save on our text of ribbon panel and delete the text of our button panel. And then we will start once more. Hopefully it happens now. Yes, we finally made it. Now when you press save, yeah, button save clicked, you can see the save button and everything's alright. Everything's good. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it and see you for the upcoming videos.